another camera where we're seeing some raindrops as we look towards Mission Bay. You can see the rain on our camera here, and it looks like Kalina's going to show you another rainy camera in just a second. But we are seeing rain in Mission Valley, Kearney Mesa, San Diego, downtown Coronado, Ocean Beach, Point Loma, PB, and La Jolla. You kind of see this chunk of rain that is falling all the way out to Lemon Grove. Up in the North County, it is a little bit quieter. I know there's a lot of green showing up right here. Most of that is ground clutter, which is showing up every single morning. It's kind of the radar hitting something else that's on the ground, not so much the rain. Maybe near Encinitas and your ocean side, a little bit of rain just offshore. So this is the center of the storm that has already been producing lightning early this morning. That will be diving south as we head into tomorrow, and that's when our chance for periods of heavy rain will come on through. Today, expecting that chance for showers this afternoon, though most of the activity will be fairly light. And then during the day tomorrow, it's not going to rain all day, but periods of heavy rain will be possible. I think this is a little underestimate to how much we will see, but we will see kind of on and off rain during the day tomorrow. Could be heavy at times, along with that slight chance for thunderstorms. And I will say the latest forecast models have taken this system much farther south before it moves east again, which would keep our Sunday a lot drier, and we actually may see more sunshine. For now, keeping us partly to mostly cloudy because we could see that shift once again. But as of right now, our Mother's Day is trending drier across the county. And next week, sunny skies will return, temperatures warming up as well. Inland neighborhoods, in fact, by Mother's Day will be in the 70s. I am keeping that slight chance for showers, but if this holds true, if this forecast holds true tomorrow, we actually should be drier, much drier on our Mother's Day. So we'll be keeping our eyes on that. We're back into the 60s and even 70s into next week in our mountains, and only a few days in the 80s in our deserts.